I'm doing some general cleaning for one of my accounts, and somebody's dog at the studio won't let me use my duster. I can't even get it back from him. I'm just trying to dust the black baseboards, and the little dude just started following me, man, and started going after my duster. I can't get it back from him for anything. All right, stop. No. Sit. All right, man. Stop. No. Come on, man. All right. I got it. I've got it. Here's what I'm trying to. I'm just trying. All right. I'm just trying to hit the baseboards. I just had to let him have it, man, and hopefully I can get it back. All right. I've got it. You don't run into this every day on the job. All right, now let me see if I can put this in a safe place for him to not go after it. And you know, I don't even know whose dog this is. He just popped up out of nowhere while I'm. No. All right. Safe and sound in that tote basket.